So what's good, guys? Welcome back to this channel, guys. So in this video I'll be teaching you an 80% win rate strategy I used to trade gold, and I only use one indicator for this, which is my Lux Algo session indicator, just to identify my session. But you don't need this if you know how to identify your sessions on your 25 or your trading views. Do you understand? So I basically trade this strategy on London session and on New York session. So let's just dive in on this video. But if you are new here and you're seeing it for the very first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video, guys. So this strategy is very simple and straightforward, and it gives a high risk to reward ratio. Do you understand? A high risk to reward ratio. As with this kind of win ratio, you can use it to pass your propfirm challenge. You can use it to flip accounts aggressively. So now this strategy is just like the previous strategy I taught you guys using GBUSD. This is a 1 minute scalping strategy, guys. 1 minute scalping strategy. So what do you need for price to do? Now, first thing you need price to do is for you to be on London session. So the first thing you need price to do is you have to mark out your low. Any low, you just mark out any low and wait for price to come back to that low. So once price is at that low, like right here, price came to the low right here, and you see something like a weak rejection, maybe a pin bar or an indecision candle, something like that. Whenever you see something like that, like in this case, you can see right here. Okay. Yeah, so in this case you can see right here there was this this very clean candle, this weak rejection, this black weak rejection. Then I got in on my buy. My stop loss just either below this last low or below this candle, and after I got in for the sell, price rallied up to my take profit. You can see it for yourself. Price rallied up to my take profit, and same thing for the next trade, which was a sell. After I got out of the buy, I saw the same strategy for a sell. So price gave us this high, then pulled back down, then started forming like a higher high, just approaching, then tap into this our wick right here. So it's just like a double top and double bottom strategy, but you're adding other confluences to enter the trade, and this is the 1 minute time frame of gold chart. So once price tap into the zone right here, you can see once price, and it gave us this weak rejection, massive weak rejection. I got in on my sell right here. My stop loss just below this weak rejection, or my stop loss can be above this high. My stop loss just above this weak rejection rather, or above this high, and I wait for price to sell down low, guys. I wait for price to sell down low. So it is just what that's just how I use this strategy. So I use it I use this strategy on my London session and my New York session. So if you need the settings for this indicator, just do and DM me. Now this is another this, you can see this is another another setup right here. Sorry, this is another setup right here. Hold on for a minute. All right, this is another setup right here. You can see right here, price came to this place, formed like this double bottom. Then we saw like this weak rejection. Just right here, this weak rejection right here. Then you can see how price is tanking. You can see this is live. You can see I would have just got in right about here, got in for my buys right about here, and my stop loss could just be below the candle. But if you want a safer stop loss, just put it around there. But I love my stop loss to be around there. Give it a breathing room a bit. You can see how price is just buying. This have already given me about 3.6 R. Assuming I'm on the chart right now, I would have taken this trade, but due to the fact I want to share this strategy with you, you can see how price have been buying. Now you can see price have been just flying up. You can see it for yourself. So guys, that doesn't mean you will not be taking losses. There are some times that it's going to come with losses. It is part of the game. But having a high, okay, look at this trade now. This is a 1 to 5 hour trade. This one is a 1 to 6 hour trade. Then this one is also about a 1 to about a 1 to 6 hour trade. You can see these are trades that it will, even when you start taking losses, one good trade will recover. So let me just show you. This is just trade for today. Let me show you some trade I took yesterday. Let me just show you. You can see gold have been buying massively, guys. Gold have been buying. So let me just show you some trade I took. Now this is for the this pink zone is for my New York session. You can see price came all the way up to the price came all the way to my zone. Once price came to my zone, I saw this like this bearish indication candle. Then I got in on the sell. My stop loss above, but this trade, and after coming down, ended up going back up and to continue the buy. So at times things like that will happen, but you just have to identify, and you just have to be smart. There are some times that you see a lot of false trades, but you just have to be smart about it, guys. So this is another trade. This is also in the London session. That's why I love trading London session. You can see how price just came all the way. You can see price came all the way down to this zone, give us this weak rejection. I put my stop loss just below this weak rejection, and my profit target above. And this trade is a let's just say 1 to 6 hour trade, and it went beyond that. So this one is an SL I took yesterday. So you can see how profitable this strategy is. So if you want to learn the settings for my my session indicator, my Lux Algo session indicator, do well to check the link below and join my free Telegram community, because I'll be dropping some setups there if I feel like. I'll be dropping some setups there if I feel like. And subscribe to this channel if you watch this far. You can see this is another clean trade, and this trade is a 1 to 5 hour trade, 1 to 4.8 hour trade. Guys, this is really massive, guys. You can see how this really do work. It really do work. It works a lot, but still you are going to take some losses, but you all know that losses are part of the game, guys. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Do well to subscribe to this channel and share this video to your friends and your loved ones. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out. Stay tuned.